Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can actually fix the issue if your JISULIFE is not working. Now, what you can do is like pretty simply, you're gonna have it and you want to just press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. So just try it out, maybe it's going to work out or no, or even like try to charge it overnight. This is the first thing. So there are two things that you can try. Press and hold about the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. And if that is not going to work out, what you can try to do then is like let it charged over full night, and maybe then it need to work out. Or even this is like I'm just like brainstorming for you. Another thing that you can try to do, just like leave it for like few hours. Maybe it's going to like overheat, and also you need to just leave it for a few hours, and maybe then it's going to work out. So these are the three things that you can try, and I hope one of it is going to actually work you. But primarily the power button, you just can press and hold it, and maybe it's going to work out. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.